Hey everyone, what is X5 Complete from Xfinity? Here's a quick look at this all in one upgrade, features, benefits, and how it enhances your home internet. X5 Complete is the top tier all in one internet upgrade from Xfinity. It stands out by offering unlimited data outside the Northeast, advanced security at home, and on the go, and wall to wall Wi Fi coverage with a Wi Fi extender if needed. It provides easy management all for $25 per month, including modem rental. If you use your own modem, unlimited data alone costs $30 per month, making X5 Complete a better value for most customers. It's best for families, heavy users, and anyone who wants the most robust, secure, and seamless home internet experience. Cost of Xfinity Gateway. The cost of X5 Complete is $25 per month as an add-on to your Xfinity Internet plan. This monthly fee covers both the modem, Xfinity Gateway rental, and all the premium features that come with X5 Complete. Who can use X5 Complete? Any Xfinity Internet customer who chooses to rent the Xfinity Gateway can upgrade to X5 Complete, ideal for households that regularly use a lot of data, streaming, gaming, smart homes devices. Want seamless Wi Fi coverage in every room? Need advanced security for all devices, including mobile devices on the go? Prefer easy management and support through the Xfinity app. Products and features included with X5 Complete. Xfinity Gateway modem or router combo rental included. Unlimited data for customers on the 1.2 terabyte internet data plan not available in Northeast market. Advanced security on the go, which protect your mobile device with safe browsing and data protection even when you are away from home. Wall to wall Wi Fi coverage throughout your home with an Xfinity Wi Fi extender boost pod included if recommended after a Wi Fi assessment. Equipment upgrades. Free modem upgrade every 3 years. Xfinity app access for 24 by 7 real time support, network management, device control, and parental controls. Ultimate control. Assigned users profile, view and control connected devices, optimize your connection, and more. Seamless integration with smart home and lot devices. Consideration to keep in mind with X5 Complete. Cost $25 per month on top of your base internet plan, which is more expensive than just renting the gateway alone. Unlimited data and some features are not available in the Northeast markets. You need to use Xfinity provide gateway for all features. Using your own equipment means you lose some benefits. The X5 Pod Wi-Fi extender is only provided if Xfinity assessment determines your home need. However, if you don't need unlimited data or advanced security, the extra monthly cost may not be justified. Some users report a slight speed drop if using their own router in bridge mode with the Xfinity gateway. Is X5 Complete worth? X5 Complete is best for households that want unlimited data, enhanced security, and seamless Wi Fi coverage with easy management. It's a good value for heavy internet users or large homes, but may not be necessary for those with lighter needs or who prefer to use their own equipment. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.